morning, Mother.
Morning, sweetheart. You know what time your brother got in last night?
I wouldn't know. I'm not his damn keeper.
Just doing his part, that's all.
Doing his part, all right. Helping common criminals. And what about me? Am I not doing my part? I keep you and this country safe. You don't have anything to say?
I don't think you want to hear it.
Oh, speak freely.
Whatever happened to the right to protest for what you believe in? Have you watched the news lately? It's a pack of lies. All these people control my life just because they have more money than I do. I'm lucky to have it. What little I make from that. Others my age aren't so lucky. There's no such thing as job security anymore. Greed is ruling this world, son. And it's that serpent called money that it keeps biting us all in the ass. This country's become a scary place for a person like your mother. Drag your mother away in chains. But I support your brother and the BTM movement.
If it isn't the supposed BTM movement leader himself. Have some breakfast. I've lost my appetite.
Good morning. Ready for another day of orders from your great puppeteer? I wouldn't want somebody else controlling my actions, thoughts. Really though, seriously, how does it feel wearing strings? When did you get like this? You are meant for so much more than that. When did you decide that you were gonna be a puppet on strings?
You know, one day your actions are gonna be the death of you.
Justin.
Burn the Money leader Joey Broyles continued his violent rampage this morning by brutally shooting and killing his brother, Evan Broyles, who was a respected government official. Authorities urge citizens to keep following safety protocol and avoid interacting with members of this terrorist group. Yesterday afternoon, the presidential family had an outing at the Spring Area Gardens, captured here by the press. President Richard Méchant knows the importance of making time for family. State police need your help in finding a missing Terrence County man. Justin Schober was taken from his home early this morning. Schober is the founder and CEO of Schober Industries. If you have any information, please contact police immediately.